Food is an integral part of our daily lives, nourishing our bodies and fueling our activities. While most people are aware of the benefits of a balanced diet, fewer know about the potential risks associated with certain food combinations. Emerging research suggests that some pairings might inadvertently increase the risk of cancer. This article delves into the science behind these food combinations and offers practical advice on how to make healthier choices. Understanding how food combinations can increase cancer risk requires a basic grasp of chemistry. Foods contain various compounds that interact with each other during digestion. While some interactions can enhance nutrient absorption, others may produce harmful substances. For instance, when certain proteins and sugars are cooked at high temperatures, they form advanced glycation end products, AGEs. AGEs are known to promote inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to cancer development. Similarly, the interaction between nitrates and processed meats and amines in the body can form nitrosamines, potent carcinogens. 1. Processed meats and nitrites. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats are often preserved with nitrites and nitrates. These compounds prevent bacterial growth and add a characteristic pink color. However, when these meats are cooked, particularly at high temperatures, nitrites can convert into nitrosamines. Combining processed meats with foods high in amines, such as cheese, can amplify the formation of nitrosamines. Studies have shown that high intake of processed meats is linked to colorectal cancer, and the risk is heightened when paired with amine-rich foods. Opt for fresh, unprocessed meats and incorporate more plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu into your diet. 2. Red meat and starch. Red meat is a good source of protein and iron, but it also contains heme iron, which can promote the formation of N-nitroso compounds, NOCs, in the gut. These compounds are associated with an increased risk of colorectal cancer. When red meat is consumed with starchy foods like potatoes or bread, the digestive process can further enhance the formation of harmful compounds. The high glycemic index of starches can spike insulin levels, creating an environment conducive to cancer growth. Combine red meat with non-starchy vegetables such as leafy greens, broccoli, and bell peppers, which are rich in fiber and antioxidants. 3. Dairy and high-sugar foods. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in calcium and other nutrients. However, combining dairy with high-sugar foods can lead to an increased risk of certain cancers. The high sugar content can cause spikes in blood glucose and insulin levels, which may promote the growth of cancer cells. For example, a study published in the International Journal of Cancer found a link between high dairy and sugar intake and an increased risk of prostate cancer. The insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, found in dairy can act synergistically with high blood sugar levels to stimulate cancer cell proliferation. Enjoy dairy products in moderation and pair them with low-sugar fruits like berries or whole grains like oats. 4. Alcohol and smoked foods. Alcohol consumption is a known risk factor for various cancers, including those of the liver, breast, and esophagus. Alcohol acts as a solvent, enhancing the penetration of carcinogens into cells. When alcohol is combined with smoked foods, the risk is even greater. Smoked foods contain polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which are potent carcinogens. The combination of alcohol and PAHs can significantly increase the risk of developing cancers of the digestive tract. Limit alcohol intake and opt for grilled or baked foods instead of smoked varieties. If you do consume alcohol, pair it with fresh fruits and vegetables. 5. Fried foods and sugary beverages. Fried foods are popular for their taste and texture, but they come with significant health risks. Frying at high temperatures can produce acrylamide, a chemical linked to cancer. When fried foods are paired with sugary beverages, the risk is compounded. Sugary drinks contribute to obesity, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation, all of which are risk factors for cancer. The combination of fried foods and sugary beverages creates a perfect storm of carcinogenic potential. Choose baking or steaming methods over frying, and hydrate with water, herbal teas, or infused water instead of sugary drinks. 6. Fruits and vegetables. Timing matters. Fruits and vegetables are the cornerstone of a healthy diet, but the timing of their consumption can influence their impact on cancer risk. Eating fruits immediately after a meal can cause fermentation in the stomach, leading to the production of alcohol and other harmful substances. For example, consuming citrus fruits after a meal rich in carbohydrates can lead to an excessive production of gas and acidity, which may damage the stomach lining and increase the risk of gastric cancer. Eat fruits as snacks between meals or as part of a balanced breakfast. Pair vegetables with protein and healthy fats to optimize nutrient absorption. 7. The role of cooking methods. The way we cook our food also plays a crucial role in cancer risk. High-temperature cooking methods such as grilling, broiling, and frying can produce harmful compounds like heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. Combining these cooking methods with certain food types can exacerbate the risk. For instance, grilling red meat can produce HCAs, and when combined with starchy sides, it can increase the formation of carcinogenic compounds. Opt for lower-temperature cooking methods like steaming, poaching, or slow cooking. Marinating meat before cooking can also reduce the formation of HCAs and PAHs. Now here are a few practical tips for reducing cancer risk. 1. Balance your diet. Ensure a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals. 2. Limit processed foods. Reduce consumption of processed and red meats, sugary beverages, and fried foods. 3. Mind your combinations. Be mindful of food pairings that may increase cancer risk, such as processed meats with cheese or red meat with starchy sides. 4. Choose healthy cooking methods. Favor steaming, baking, and poaching over grilling and frying. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and limit alcohol intake. 6. Regular check UPS. Maintain regular health screenings and consult with healthcare providers about your diet and lifestyle. The interplay between different foods can have profound effects on our health, particularly in relation to cancer risk. By understanding the potential dangers of certain food combinations and making mindful choices, we can significantly reduce our risk. A balanced diet, healthy cooking methods, and regular health checkups are essential steps toward a cancer-free life. Prioritize nutrient-rich, whole foods, and be aware of how different foods interact to safeguard your health and well-being.